All right, Ugly American living in the Philippines. Once again, we're heading to the, we're at Dayasan Village. We're actually getting some food from Joanne's mom, who owns this shop right here. She cooks the food. We were at her house the other day when we had that birthday party for her husband. So we're just getting some food to take over to the new upgraded lobster cage where we're going to see the progress they made. They just bought the Nipa roofing today and they're putting it on right now. So we're going to go over there, bring some food, and just chill out and see what it's like. But we're back at Dayasan Village, is where we seem to be our spot where we take off to get out on the water. All right, be right back. So what did we get? I don't know, it looks fishy to me. What did we get, hon?
Pork. It's called the fritada pork, green beans, and jackfruit.
Green beans and jackfruit. All right. Let me say, what is her name again? Her mom's name?
It's Joanne's restaurant, Auntie Pina.
Auntie Pina, hi. Thank you. See you later. All right, we're off to the boats. Catch us a spot to go. Oh, they're building something new right here, huh? Very nice. Took us a different way today. Must be a shortcut. That definitely was a shortcut, because that was less than 5 minutes to drive over here now. I guess the bigger boat can't go that way. There they are putting underneath the roof. Tore down the whole thing, rebuilding it. Here's where we're eating. We got some pork, some rice, and some green beans. Nice little place. The place is looking really good. And the breeze is just beautiful. So cool underneath the Nipa. It's going to be great. Just enjoying the beautiful boat, whatever, dock, swimming platform. Hey boys, what are you doing? Dun dun. What are you guys doing? I don't know, they're nailing the nail with some fishing string. Just finding stuff to do, but the water is beautiful. High tide right now. Pretty deep now, about 10 feet now. Dad is up there putting on some more Nipa roof. So they built a whole trusses and stuff for the roof, and then they're going to do the same thing over there, and that's going to be an aluminum roof up there. But it is so cool under here. It's amazing. They really upgraded the whole place. See, the neighbor's dock is under the water, and that used to happen here. So now we raise it up so we can deal with it at high tide. I just said I didn't actually video him doing it, but I don't really know what doing it means when it comes to Nipa roofs. I know what doing it means in many other ways, but so I'm now adding to the video to figure out what doing it means when you do a Nipa roof. So it looks like he nailed those stripped palm stems as like the lumber to hold it. He nails those to the trusses, and then I saw over here that they use that nice spline, plastic spline, to then sew that through the Nipa roofing to attach it to those splines that he put up there. I was too comfortable to get up and show you that he actually takes his bolo and chops off the jagged ends of the palm fronds in order to make them straighter on the edge. You'll see it when he puts them up there that it's now straightened, or I guess trimmed off. So now he's going to do it. Is he doing it, hon?
Yeah, just watch.
You see how they're trimmed off on the end there? He does that before he installs them.
Watch and learn.
Start at the bottom like everything else so that it overlaps and the rain runs off. I know that much.
Can you see from here?
Yeah, I can see great. But I'm too comfortable to move. I don't want to move. Oh, I guess I have to move. Got it. Now I know how you do it. All right, ugly American. Over and out.